Here's a word of caution for if you want to get into data center control. So it can get really redundant after a while. And here's what I'm talking about. So your job is to make sure the SCADA platform for the data center accurately reflects the equipment in the facility. So everything that's supposed to be in the SCADA should be in there. If it's not, you need to get it in there. Secondly, once everything's in there, then you have to make sure that your SCADA system is accurately representing the data at the field equipment. So if you have a power meter, it has HMI, the HMI should match what you're showing on your SCADA graphics, for example. And alarms, make sure they're configured correctly, and all that kind of stuff. But after all that's done, you get to a good spot. The troubleshooting gets really easy. So for example, let's say I have a power meter out in the field and it just stops communicating or stops working. They're gonna say, hey, they have a COM fail, and then you go, oh, can I ping it? Nope. Then you can say, hey, go power cycle it, and they power cycle it, boom, yay, happy. And then if it doesn't, then you go, everything's set up correctly, talk to a vendor. That is how redundant it gets after a while, and that can be really boring for some people. Like in terms of like day-to-day troubleshooting stuff, that's just kind of what it ends up being most of the day, is looking through tickets and going, oh, gotta fix that, or oh, this company said they did this and they didn't. Now I gotta actually do what they were supposed to do. A lot of that.